past few days, I have been living in the mountains, far from the city life, away from all the technological interference. So, let us together explore the remaining places of this remotest part of Himachal Pradesh. The fourth day at Spiti started with my journey from Lanza to Chicham Bridge, and it took around 1 hour to reach Chicham from Lanza.
So here I am at the Chicham Bridge. So time for some view.
Chicham Bridge is said to be Asia's highest suspension bridge at a height of 13,244 feet from sea level. This bridge is situated across a deep gorge around 1,000 feet in height. Chicham Bridge connects Chicham village to Kipper village, to where I will be heading next. My next destination for the day is Key Monastery, which is near to Kipper village. Key Gompa is the oldest and the largest monastery in the Spiti valley and is located on top of a hill.
At present I am at the place for which Spiti valley is very much famous for. Yes, I am at the very famous Key Monastery. So let's explore. Good morning from Kaza. So yes, today I am heading for Chandratal, my ultimate destination in this Spiti tour. So stay with me.
On the way from Kaza to Chandratal, at a village called Morang, there is a nunnery. So I have decided to come to this place because मैंने कभी nunnery visit नहीं किया. Nunnery is actually a monastery where only nuns live. So yeah, let's go. At this nunnery, the nuns follow a study program which includes Buddhist philosophy, meditation, Tibetan language, literature, and also basic education in English, Hindi, and maths. After visiting the nunnery, I headed to Chandratal via the Kunzum pass. The Kunzum pass or Kunzumla is one of India's highest motorable mountain passes, which is very famous among the motorbiking enthusiasts. The place is also known for the Kunzum Mataka Mandir, which is only a few kilometers away from Kunzum Pass. On the way to Chandratal, I am now at the very famous and very beautiful Kunzum Mata ka Mandir.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on.
From Kunzum Pass, I continued my journey to the very famous Chandratal Lake. This is the campsite of Chandratal Lake and is also my night shelter for today. Good morning. So here I am at Chandratal base camp and today is the 6th day of my Spiti trip and also the last one. Well, इस बेस कैम्प से मैं अभी जा रही हूँ चंद्रताल लेक तक जाने के लिए. यहाँ से आपको थोड़ी ऊपर तक you can go by vehicle and then you have to trek for 15 to 20 minutes. So let's start.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
So अभी 15 मिनट का हाइक है चंद्रताल तक from the parking area. So yes.
Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
अभी तो 2 मिनट भी नहीं हुआ और मेरा तो हाल खराब.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Yes, I am back from Chandratal. I must say, Chandratal was amazing. You can find their peace, serenity, tranquility. मतलब away from all the madness of city life.
Even if I'm falling down, I will
Only
keep
peace
on
and peace
searching for
exists
my
there.
highs.
So after coming back from Chandratal,
Mine, I will
I'll
keep
now
on holding
have
my
breakfast in the camp itself and then
Even
I'll
if
head
the
to
sky is
Manali.
falling down.
Nothing is permanent in this world and it is obvious that not even my trip was. With a heavy heart, I had to bid goodbye to this isolated yet spectacular place on earth. Back in my home, I could carry the wonderful memories I have gathered during these 5 days. With this said, if you have any queries regarding Spiti tour, then do write to me in the comments below. I will be happy to reply to you guys. With that said, if you really like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel vlogs, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified for future travel vlogs.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.